Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well, and I will be doing a song reaction right now. This is from the magnum opus RRR. Well, the release has been delayed as we all know, but I just not hope, I know for a fact that the wait is going to be worth it. It's going to be worth it, guys. So yes, the song is called Ramam Raghavam, and the hashtag is Rise of Ram. So really excited. A nice 4 minute, almost 4 minute song. So till now, the entire whatever songs have been released, I loved all the song. My favorite being Janani at this moment. Out of all the RRR songs, I love Janani, followed by Natu Natu. But Janani, I don't know, Janani has a very different feel. So let's react to Ramam Raghavam. Let's see how the song is. Okay, here we go. Okay, no subtitles. Just the visuals. Shiva Shakti Datta. Okay. Oh wow. Dude, when he lowered his octave like that. Whoa.
Ranadhiram Rajasam.
Wait, what? Okay.
Rudradhanush sama samana swadhanush dhankara bhaya ragha shandrava Ramam Raghavam Ranadhiram Rajasam. Ramam Raghavam Ranadhiram Rajasam.
Wow, look at Ram Charan. Wow.
Takatila takitatum tatakatila takatakatila takitatum tataka karatakatatum tatum tatum tatikitatum 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 tatakatum tatakatun tatim tatakatum karatakatatum tatakatum tatakatun 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 tatim tatakataratim tatakataratim
That's how you create hype. That's how you freaking create hype for a movie. Firstly, I did not expect a fusion. I loved the rock classical vibe. I just want to just check one thing before I comment on the entire song because oh my god. Uh, okay. No, I was checking. I was checking if because of course the credits for the lyrics have been given K Shivadatta, but I was checking if like there is already a classical sort of song like this or not. I couldn't find, but if you have any information or these are like completely original lyrics or not, because I could hear shlokas and stuff like that, so I thought maybe it's already been written before. That's why. This is just I'm just speaking because I have lack of knowledge on this. That's why. But about the song, firstly, the way it has been shot, fantastic. Kudos to all the three singers. Vijay Prakash, when he starts in that higher octave and then he lowers it down and then suddenly it becomes completely like he sounds so devilish over there and there is a completely different aura to his vocals. I love that. Both the female singers were fantastic. Fantastic. One who was doing the sargam with the short hair, it's very in a very very fast tempo. Oh my goodness, what talent, man! And the other one who was pulling in all those alaps and beautifully done, beautifully done. You know, to do a fusion where you are giving equal importance to both the genres, like this is rock classical, this is rock classical, so to give importance to that entire classical genre also and to give importance to the rock genre. So I mean that's how you make a good fusion where both of the aspects or whatever genres you are putting together all need to shine to like all need to shine separately, but there needs to be a synergy also amongst all of these to make a complete song and to create a whole different vibe. The song has done that. This song has done that. I love how this album is offering such different songs. Though now, even if I include this song, I still feel Janani is still my favorite, guys. Janani, do let me know which is your favorite song from RRR. A lot of my friends love Nacho Nacho, Natu Natu. They love that song because of how upbeat and all. I also love that song a lot. In fact, I love all the Dosti is also such a great song. Even this is very different album. You get a taste of every kind of musical genre from this movie album, and after a long time I feel that okay, I'm listening to I think since last couple of months I have been very hopeful for the Hindi and this is of course Telugu, but since the songs have also been done in Hindi, I'm just saying for movie albums I feel I've been listening to really good movie albums, starting with like I loved Shershah's the entire film album. Atrangi Re was really nice. This is so beautiful. I love it. I absolutely love this one. And so many Minnal Murli album is so freaking good. That's the Malayalam film. I just love from different industries. So many good movie albums are coming out. Fantastic. This was a brilliant fusion, brilliant fusion, and the way it was shot with the chorus, the crew, and everybody, all the singers, giving importance to the actual singers, and you just see Ramcharan stills over there. He looks out of this world, man. He looks incredible in that entire the entire look that has been given to him, which was also there in actual life also. But the point is that when the song is happening, it's really good to see whoever is singing, I'm able to see that person. So this is really putting the playback singers on the spotlight. I freaking love that. That happened with Dosti also. I was so happy to see Dosti's video because it was all of the musicians, the band, everybody who was involved in actually making that song, they were given the spotlight, and it has been done for this particular song as well. And I really appreciate SS Rajamouli for doing that. I really appreciate it. So yes, Do let me know. But I also feel that this is the kind of song, Ramam Raghavam is the kind of song, because rock fusion is not everybody's genre. Like, everybody does not like this kind of music. I honestly love when a song has rock elements in it, and rock classical, you don't get to hear it every day. You don't get to hear it every day. So this is a very unique song, though. If you ask really my personal opinion, I feel that not everybody would vibe with it. This is my honest opinion. I just because I liked it doesn't mean that everybody, collective masses, will like it, because I feel that certain genres are very very, they have a very niche audience, and I feel classical rock also has a very niche audience. So do let me know what are your thoughts on this song. And yeah, I'm just happy that this kind of genre is also being brought out to a larger platform through this movie. This, I don't know if the song is going to feature in the film or not, but the fact that this kind of song has been made for a movie like RRR, I'm very happy. I'm very appreciative. So because there's so many amazing things to explore when it comes to music. It's not just, everything doesn't have to have an EDM beat drop. So yeah, if you know what I mean. So with that, I will end the reaction here. I really like this song, very different, though from this movie album, Janani is my favorite. So which is your favorite RRR song, RRR film song? Do let me know in the comments. And with that, I will end the video, and I hope you enjoyed this reaction. And yes, signing off now. I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye.